Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility and choosing a license, because the wrong edition causes installation failure. Once done, sign in with your Microsoft account. It links licenses and OneDrive. Next, buy Microsoft 365 or Office 2021 or use an organizational license. This determines updates and cloud features. After purchase, download the installer from the Microsoft account portal or open the Microsoft Store. Run the downloaded installer immediately. Follow prompts to accept terms, then proceed to the core steps for activation and configuration. Now focus on installation choices and activation, because proper setup saves time later. Run the installer and choose typical for a quick install or custom if you prefer to exclude Word or PowerPoint. When prompted, sign in to activate your license. This also enables automatic updates and cloud syncing. Make sure to enable OneDrive if you want auto-save and cross-device access. Once installed, add key add-ins like Power Query or Analysis Tool Pack, and configure update settings to keep security patches current. Finish by launching Excel and verifying activation and auto-save. This confirms licensing and cloud backup. Customize the ribbon and quick access toolbar to speed common tasks and set a default save location to OneDrive or local folders. Install templates or import macros if required. If something goes wrong, immediately run Office Repair from Control Panel or Settings. Make sure to sign out, then sign in again. If errors persist, note the error code and retry updates before contacting support for targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.